Now here's a 2008 Honda Odyssey. You can see my mirrors taped on the other side. And then you can use even just a plastic spatula, mud spreader, or you can get the tool for it. Basically what I do is I just kind of put it down in here, and you're going to pop that loose. I want to show you here. It's up there where you want to put some of the pressure. This thing just pops out, no big deal. And then what we have is, you're going to have, look at this here, you got one here, one here, one here. You just take those out, pinch here, pop this loose, and that should slide right out. We're going to show you the replacement in just a moment. Let's just take a quick look here. It's a 5/16, just a socket on a ratchet. What I like to do is get them a little loose here. Get it loose. Probably it's about finger loose now. And you know, I see I got a little extension on here too. You can tell. See, look at that. I like to have a little extension on there. Makes it a little easier. Just go right there. Now you could also pay Honda dealership, you know, $395 to do this for you. But it's pretty simple. Yep. You just pinch and pull it, and then that's loose, right? Let's just see. And then see, you just undo these. Be careful here, you don't want to drop it down in your door and be a pain in the butt to get out, but these are just finger loose now. And then we're going to go right here. This should just squeeze that here. There it is. And then that comes off, and all you do is you put these, take this whole piece and replace it, stick it right through there, and just reverse all that back in there. And then we just pushed it right through, lined these up from the other side. I did have my son push that through. It was very helpful, just so I can see on this side, and lined it up well. And then I just finger tighten these. And again, these are 5/16 sockets, all you need on there. There we go. Real gentle down here. And then there, and then tighten it back up. Now one thing, if you've not done this kind of work well, you just want to kind of lightly go to each one. Kind of lightly tighten them up a little bit. One in here again, you saw from the early. Just do some light work there. Yep. Kind of go back and forth a little bit. I don't really like to crank one down without kind of getting around like a good rounded approach. And this is a long lever, so once you get some pretty decent tightness, it should be just fine. You don't really need to crank this stuff down at all too hard. Yep, good. See, I feel like getting pretty stiff. Just light turn there. And see, I'm not holding it way out here. I'm holding it close just to get that nice fine tune it. Okay. And before I put this back on, I like to come out and make sure we had a nice good seal pushed in nice and good. Looks nice. So we're going to go and snap this on the inside. Yeah, we just kind of line these guys up. Okay. That's it. it's in. So that literally took, how long? 5-10 minutes? Yep. Yeah, 5-10 minutes, and that's, I mean, that's done nice and smooth, and it's super easy to connect there. That would save you about $250, $350 if you take it to the shop. And who knows how many hours of time they charge you for that.